Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save favorite video on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and then in here you can search a video that you want to favorite, or you can search your favorite video, maybe this one. If you wanna add or save this video to favorite, you just click on this, click on it, and in here you can see add to favorite, and after this you can swipe again until you can see your favorite video. Maybe this one, and then you just click in here again, and in here you can see added to favorite. Yeah, and so that's how to save favorite video on TikTok. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.